Hope all are doing good. So like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon for the latest notification of the upcoming videos. The topic covered in this session is mirror image, which is one of the interesting topic of reasoning. So before getting into the questions of mirror image, just understand what is mirror image. Consider yourself standing in front of a mirror. What you see? The same you, but the difference is whatever is in your right hand side will go to the left hand side of the mirror image and vice versa. Whereas up and down or top and bottom remains the same. You are never inverted. Please keep that in mind while solving the questions, otherwise you will go wrong with the answers. Okay. Some of the tips to solve easily. See, whenever you get questions based on alphabets and numbers, keep these things in mind. Capital letter A, H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X, Y. These remain same even in your mirror image. Small letters I, L, O, V, W, X. This remains the same in your mirror image. And the numbers 0 and 8 also remains the same in your mirror image. Okay. Some of the points you have to remember is, if in your question there is no mirror placed, that is there is no position of the mirror, just consider the mirror being placed on the right of the picture or figure. And another point you have to consider is just change the left and right position and never up and down position. Okay. So we'll see with some examples. See here a mirror Mn is placed on the right of the figure. Before solving the problem, first just try neglecting the option, so you end up with the right option so easily. See in this question, see second and fourth quadrant will be in the first and the third quadrant of your mirror image, and first and third will be in second and fourth position of your mirror image. So using that, neglect option 1 and 2. See, because it is on the same position of the mirror image. Next, check for option 3 and 4. See, the line should be from, whichever is in left to right should be from right to left. So only option 3 suits that. So neglect option 4, so 3 is the right answer. Next question, see here in the mirror is placed on the left of the figure. As I told you, whichever is in the nearest position of the mirror, that appears first on the mirror image. So the small square with the triangle appears first in the near the mirror, and the bigger triangle will appear in the leftmost corner. So considering that, you can neglect option 1 and 2. So only taking into consideration option 3 and 4. In option 3, if you see, the position of the small square is in the upper side, which is not correct. So neglecting that, only option 4 is the right answer. Next question. See in this, the square remains the same, circle remains the same. The triangle should be in the same position, that is up, and the D semicircle should be in the down position. So considering that, we can neglect options 1, 2 and 3 because it is in some other positions. Only option 4, triangle is in upper position and D is in down position, but in the left to right are changed. See, triangle remains the same even in your mirror image, and the D, it is inverted D, which is the right option, which is answer 4. Next question. See, also consider that whatever shape is given in your original image will remain the same. The shape never changes, only its left and right position changes. So considering this question, see the options. You can easily neglect option 1, 3 and 4 because they are some other states. So only option 2 can be given. So when you check for it, only option 2 suits. So which is the right answer. Next is a alphabetical question. See, non-verbal RIA. As there is no mirror placed here, we should consider it being placed on the right side. So on placing mirror on right of non-verbal RIA, we get first letter as A. So considering that, we can neglect option B. Next, we get the same A. As I told you, the capital A remains the same even in your mirror image. But see, option C you can neglect because it is an inverted A. then take only A and D into consideration. A, E, R, all okay. See, but option D, it is given by some other word. So neglecting option D, only option A suits, which is the right answer. Next is a number alphabet question. In this, whatever you can neglect, do that first. See, option A can be neglected because it is an inverted thing, and option B also neglected because first letter in your mirror image would be A. So B also you can neglect. C and D, check for it. See, option C, it is some other image, so only option D suits, so that is the right answer. Next question, see, this is also an alphabet number question. See, in this first letter on your right hand side would be I, so all option suits. Next would be inverted 3, so you can neglect option C. Then next should be R should be in left and right position, should be changed. Whereas option D, they are given inverted R, which should be neglected. So choosing option A and B. U, T. Next should be, after T, it should be 1 in the opposite side. Instead, option B, it is given as I, so neglect that. Only option A suits, which is the right answer. Next question. See, arrow facing left hand side. So you can neglect option D, which is up to down. So from A, B, C you should choose. See, a line from right to left. So your mirror image should be from left to right, which suits only option A. So option A is the right answer. B and C can be neglected. The final question, see, a star with a triangle. Star remains the same even in your mirror image. And the triangle from left to right will be from right to left. So A, C and D can be chosen. From that, see, A we have a different star and D also we have a different star. Only C suits, so option is option C. So I hope you understood the concept of mirror image and practice more questions so that you can easily solve. And thank you, keep supporting.